To begin your digital reading journey, unlock your Android phone and open the Google Play Store. In the search bar at the top, type Adobe Digital Editions and hit search. Look for the official app, usually developed by Adobe, and tap on it to view the details. Now tap the Install button to begin downloading. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the Open option. Tap it to launch the app. Adobe Digital Editions offers a smooth way to read and organize ebooks, especially those in EPUB and PDF formats, including DRM-protected content. Whether you're borrowing books from libraries or syncing your reading across devices, this app is a perfect companion for avid readers. Go ahead, open and enjoy the app. Your digital bookshelf awaits.